All participants, please open Anaconda and launch Jupyter page. Anaconda Navigator and launch Jupyter page. And type done within Zoom chat. All participants, please launch Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. Open desktop, page 13. There is Python 13 and launch this page. So I have done this step. So typing here, done. Please all participants type done so that I can move to do the task. In our last class, we have done work on t-test. In today's class, we will work for ANOVA. When you want to perform any task in R or Python, you need to ask these 4 questions from ChatGPT. First question, what is ANOVA? Second question, why do we perform ANOVA? Third question, types of ANOVA. And fourth question, sample data table for each type of ANOVA. So copy this. First copy these 3 questions. Understand about ANOVA. Copy. Open ChatGPT. Paste here. And send this message to ChatGPT. It will give you reply. Here is a clear and concise explanation addressing all 3 questions. Question number 1. What is ANOVA? ANOVA stands for analysis of variance. It is a statistical method used to determine whether there are significant difference between the mean of 3 or more independent groups. In t-test, we have done or we have find variance between 2 groups. But if you have more than 2 groups, you are unable to apply a t-test successfully. It will give you different type of errors. So when you have 3 groups and you want to compare these 3 groups or want to check the difference between these 3 groups, you can use ANOVA. instead of t-test if you have more than two groups. It analyzes the variation within group, between group, to assess if the observed difference in the sample mean are likely due to the real effect or just random chance. Now, why do we perform it? Compare the mean more than two groups, control the overall type 1 error, false positive that increase with multiple t-tests. When you have three groups, you need to perform multiple t-tests because t-test is applicable only for two groups. So you will get false positive values. Identify factors. Determine if the group difference is statistically significant. If your purpose or objective are these, you can use ANOVA or your dataset. Now, type of ANOVA. First is one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, a repeated measure ANOVA, M ANOVA, and can say multivariate ANOVA. In one-way ANOVA, test difference in means for one independent variables with two plus groups. Compare mean exam score across three teaching methods. Two-way ANOVA test effect of two independent factors. One-way ANOVA only have one factor. In two-way ANOVA have two factors. Repeated measure ANOVA test mean when the same subject are measured under a different condition. For example, before, during, and after. ANOVA used when there are multiple dependent variables. If you have only one dependent variable, you can use apply one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. But if you have multiple, one independent variable and multiple dependent variables, you can apply one-way ANOVA. If you have two factors but many dependent variables, you can apply ANOVA. So please give sample data table for each type of ANOVA. It will give you sample data. So here are the sample data table for each major type of ANOVA. These examples are small, simple, and suitable for use in R or Excel. So here is the fertilizer A, B, and C. So three group under single factor. In two-way ANOVA, two factors. One is fertilizer, second is light level, low, high, low, high, and fertilizer A, B, C, three group. So if you have three group but multiple factors or two factors, you can apply two-way ANOVA. Repeated measure ANOVA, time, pre, middle, post, pre, middle, post, and M ANOVA. You have single factor but multiple independent factors. Sorry, multiple dependent factors. So if you have this type of data set, you can apply M ANOVA. Now I need this file in Excel sheet. Thanks. Now I need this file in Excel sheet. It will give you this file in Excel sheet. You can also generate Excel sheet according to your field of study. So here is the sample, ANOVA sample data. Click on this file and save it in your working directory folder, Python 13, find Python 13 and save with single name ANOVA. Check this file. It is showing 4 sheets. One-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, repeated measure ANOVA, M ANOVA. Now we will import these sheets one by one. First we will import one-way, two-way, repeated measure, and M ANOVA. I will perform for one and you will perform for others. Now I want to import this file in Jupyter page or Python. Now next step is pandas. Import panda as PD. Import pandas as ed and run. Next step ed dot read excel pd dot read excel bracket inverted comma. Your file name is ANOVA. Check its extension. Here is ANOVA.xlsx. ANOVA.xlsx close and bracket close. We have not defined any sheet. When you not defined any sheet, it will default sheet, which will be sheet number 1. It is showing me there is no attribute read excel. So here is the function name read underscore excel and run. Now here is the dataset. It is a sheet number 1. When you import by default sheet number 1 will be shown. If you want to import other sheet, you can add here comma sheet underscore name equal and give here your sheet name. For example, in my case, the sheet name is 2-way ANOVA. Right click here, copy this name, right click and click on rename and copy this name. And open Jupyter page, paste here and give inverted comma and run. It will show me second file. Now you can check here is second file. Similarly, you can import third and fourth file. Now I want to work on first file. So here is the first file. Run this file again. Please all participant import this file and type done within Zoom chat. I am sending this file in group. So please import this file and type done so that I can move to next step. You can also download your own dataset or you can use this data in. Here is the ANOVA file, and you can download and use it for further analysis. I have sent in group. Okay. Now next step, take its str. And now give a name to this file. For example, I want to give name to this file ANOVA. There is a name with equal sign and run. Now your file name is ANOVA. Now take its str, print underscore your file name ANOVA dot info bracket open bracket close and run. It will give you information about your dataset or structure of your data. Paste in below column or box, copy the script and paste here. Now you have two things in single box. Here is the script and here is its output. Now copy this one, open open ChatGPT and write a message. I want to perform one way ANOVA and want to draw its publication ready plot in Python. Please give Python script and send message. It will give you Python script. So here is the complete Python script to perform one-way ANOVA on your dataset and draw a publication ready plot using matplotlib and seaborn package. Now copy the script and paste here and run. It will show you publication ready plot, and here is ANOVA table ANOVA results. ANOVA results show that our results are highly significant because its value is 0.00085. So this value is highly significant. So it shows that our factor significantly affect on fertilizer significantly affect on plant height. Okay, now I want to perform next step, which is post-hoc test. So come to again ChatGPT, say thanks. Now I want to apply post-hoc test and need compact ladder display in plot. You can apply post-hoc test if your ANOVA results are significant. Then you will be able to perform post-hoc test. Otherwise, you will be unable to perform post-hoc test if your results are non-significant. Copy, open the page and run. This showing no module name science kit post hoc. So it's mean I need this package. Activity, then start, not again. So copy this message, provide to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a script for installation of this package of this function. First, it will find which package you can use for this function. ChatGPT, yes, now here is the script for thanks for pointing that out there. In this case, ScienceKit post-hoc is not needed for compact letter displaying using Tukey HSD. The line was mistakenly included. Here is the corrected version of the script clean and it does not require ScienceKit post-hoc. Wait for its completion and copy and drag. And please you also now draw these plots and these analysis one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, ANOVA and repeated measure and share results in group. And if you found an issue, you can thumbs up and confirm I am audible or not. Hello. Sansad, kindly confirm. Another participant, I am audible or not? Hello. Please confirm I am audible. Okay, no, please. Maybe some internet issues. Okay. No, please confirm it's clear or not. Okay, thank you. I have generated another code copy open Python and it's showing me a multi-comparison object has no attribute. So copy this, open ChatGPT and provide. It will correct your script. And no, please, you also do one way ANOVA, two way ANOVA, M ANOVA and repeated major ANOVA and share result within group. Here are the results for Tukey HSD. Copy these results and share within group. Also share your plots within group. And here is its plot. Here is plot. Drag and drop into group. And also run next script. I think completed. Yeah, completed copy and Python, paste here and run. Here is the plot with alphabets A, B, and C based on Tukey HSD. So please all participant uh, drag and drop into group and try to draw bar plot for compact letter display. Write a message to ChatGPT, I need bar plot, not box plot. Okay, now please do work and share your plots within group. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, now I am waiting for your plots and ANOVA tables. And please now draw and share within group. If you have any question, you can ask within group. Okay, thank you.